Have you ever wondered how you can train your fruit trees to grow in a specific pattern? Welcome to the fascinating world of Espalier, a horticultural technique that allows you to do exactly that. It's an art form where trees, vines, and shrubs are trained to grow against a flat surface, often in intricate patterns. The benefits of Espalier are many, from efficient use of space and easier harvesting to enhanced aesthetics. With the right techniques, anyone can master the art of Espalier. Training your fruit tree into an espalier is a rewarding process that involves several key steps. First, you need to select a suitable fruit tree. Young, pliable trees are typically the best choice. Then, it's time to choose a design. From the simple horizontal cordon to the more intricate Belgian fence, there's a design to suit your garden's aesthetic. Next, plant your tree. Ensure it's positioned correctly, with enough space for growth. Once your tree is firmly in the ground, you'll need to install a support system. This could be a trellis or a series of wires to guide your tree's growth. Now comes the most labor-intensive part, training the tree. This involves carefully bending and tying the branches to your support system, promoting growth in desired directions. It's a test of patience, often taking several years. Remember, the beauty of Espalier comes not only from the end result, but also from the journey of shaping and nurturing your tree. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep in mind as you embark on your Espalier journey. Choose a tree with flexible branches, start training when the tree is young, and prune regularly to maintain shape. With these tips in mind, you're ready to start creating your own Espalier masterpiece. Espalier is a wonderful way to bring a touch of elegance and practicality to your garden. By training your trees, you create beautiful, fruitful displays. So give it a go and share your green-thumbed victories with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.